Zombie apocalypse.
Hello Monggie Q, we are here outside just near our place and we wanted to share to you guys this food stall. Has delicious Indonesian food, Ayam Penyet. Budget wise, I can say their food is clean and freshly cooked. Abang here, the owner told me that I am allowed to do video, but just be careful since the oil is boiling hot. Mostly there are 4 people operating this food stall, 1 cooking, the other for preparation, the other 1 assigned to drinks, and lastly person in charge taking orders and serving the food. As you can see here, everything is being cooked from fish to chicken, beef, tofu, on this gigantic cooking pan. I am sweating already from distance. So goreng, fried meatball originated from Indonesia. This is your sambal. Although it is popular here in Malaysia, not all sambal are the same. This one is a bit sweet, like 65% and 35% chili. And you can see here the serundeng on top, and also the fried tempeh, soybean, and fried tofu. The one it looks like a bread, and this one is soup. It's boiled onion leaves with fried garlic, and of course the main attraction, BAKSO goreng. Funny, it looks like flowers although brown, and of course cucumber and cabbage. Most popular in town, Ayam Penyet, or smashed fried chicken. What interests me is that even the chicken is nearly cooked in high degrees, it is not crunchy. And also we have here the fried tofu, good source for protein and minerals. Normally we eat sambal with rice and meat. And that ends our first street food vlog.